Today, I'm making my grandpa's recipe for bread and butter pickles. These are the absolute best sweet pickles I've ever eaten in my life. So come along, the recipe's really simple. I'll show you how to make it and can it. Right here's my grandpa's recipe. At the top, you'll notice those are the ingredients. At the bottom is the directions. You can either screenshot this or I'll have it in the description below. First, rinse your cucumbers real well. I already did mine. And then you're just going to slice them up. Then you're going to add in your garlic, salt, and onions. I will admit I changed the onion ratio in this recipe. My grandpa likes to put in 8 onions. I only put in 4. And you can see here where I divided it into 2 bowls. This is because the first bowl was so full, I was afraid that I wouldn't be able to mix it. After giving it a good mix, you're going to add your ice for the ice bath. I usually put in a bunch of ice and mix it up and then top it with ice as well. Ta-da! Now we're going to let this sit and rest for 2 hours. Timer's up. Now we're going to drain out that ice and liquid. Then into a large pot, you're going to add your 5 cups sugar, 3 cups cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons mustard seed, and 1.5 teaspoons of both turmeric and celery seed. Give it a good mix until everything is well combined, and then you're going to add your strained cucumbers and onions back into it. Heat it up until it comes to a boil and then shut it off. You're ready to pack those jars. As always, sterilize those lids by putting them in a pot of water and bringing it to a boil, and then sterilize those jars in the oven, baking it at 250 for 10 minutes. Use a butter knife to easily remove any air bubbles, then wipe those rims with a wet rag, add your lids, bands, and you're ready to can them. Put your jars into boiling water and make sure that the water comes back to a boil before you start that timer. These are going to water bath can for 10 minutes. And there they are, the most delicious homemade bread and butter pickles. Super easy to make, super easy to can, simple ingredients that you probably already have in your pantry. I just love these pickles. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, happy canning season. And here at the end, I'm going to show you a couple of pictures of my grandpa making these pickles. Happy homesteading!